Hello everybody, got a pretty cool little macro today called GDG Fast Files. It involves two parts. One, I set up a shortcut key on my keyboard, and I'll hit it right now. I put Control F, and it brings up a menu right wherever your cursor is. You can bring up this menu. So I can hit Control F, brings up the menu, and I have path 1 selected because there's an asterisk there, and these are the files in path 1. Here's the path. The form will pop up automatically. You can put it where you want, off to the side, hidden, wherever you want. You could select another path, and it'll show you. Path 3, there's nothing in there. This part of the macro does not dig into subfolders. It's just for quick access to your files in these 4 areas. If I wanted to open this file, I would click it. If I wanted to open all these files, I could press this button. If I hold Shift on my keyboard, it would import all of these. I could also, for any file that is open, I could close, doing the same thing. We could go to our settings form, and this is the second part of the macro. This can do searches. It has its own separate 3 paths. Very powerful. If we want to use path 2, I'm going to search my customer database, and I'll just start typing. It says working, found 17 files with TES in the name, and I have it digging in all the subfolders, so it found files everywhere. We can find files all over the place, and these are all the files with GDG in the name. If you don't want to search subfolders, uncheck this. Live search just means it starts after I type 3 characters. If I wanted to search manually, I could go GD, and I'll just double click right here, and it starts it working. And it found every file with GD in the name. Pretty powerful right there. And this is the second part of the macro. Real fast access to your files. Much faster than searching through the folders. You can get stuff quick this way. You can set up 3 paths. Remember, 3 paths for your search, and then you notice how they change. Another 3 paths for your fast pop-up. Assign your shortcut key so your pop-up, wherever your mouse is, Control S, you bam, import, open the file, anything you want to do. And pretty handy. And we also got our help here. This will bring up the help, and there's a couple other options. Maximum number of files to show, characters needed in the text box before the live search starts. If you click here, it's going to give you a huge JPEG image with instructions. Basically everything I said and more. Everything I forgot to say. I've got some other options here, pretty self-explanatory. Real powerful macro, and I hope it saves you a lot of time when you're using this macro. Hope you enjoyed it.